Zinnia Angustifolia, a gardener's guide to the narrowleaf zinnia. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Zinnia Angustifolia, also known as the narrowleaf zinnia or creeping zinnia. This little flowering gem is a favorite among gardeners for its ease of care, vibrant blooms, and pollinator-friendly nature. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know about growing Zinnia Angustifolia. What is Zinnia Angustifolia? Zinnia Angustifolia is a herbaceous flowering plant belonging to the Asteraceae family, the same family as asters and daisies. Native to northern and western Mexico, it's also naturalized in parts of the southwestern United States. This compact beauty typically grows 8 to 16 inches tall, boasting bushy, branching stems adorned with narrow leaves. But the real showstopper is the profusion of single, daisy-like flowers that bloom abundantly from summer right through to frost. These cheerful blooms, usually bright orange, attract butterflies, bees, and other beneficial pollinators, adding a touch of life to your garden. How to grow Zinnia Angustifolia. Zinnia Angustifolia is a dream for beginner gardeners. Here's what you need to know. Sunlight. Full sun is key for optimal growth and abundant blooms. Soil. Well-draining, humus-rich soil is ideal. Sandy or loamy soils with good drainage work well. Planting. You can directly sow seeds outdoors after the last frost date. Alternatively, start seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks earlier for a head start. Watering. Water regularly during dry spells, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Fertilizer. Light feeding with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks can encourage blooming. However, over-fertilizing can result in leggy plants with fewer flowers. Zinnia Angustifolia versus other zinnias, picking the perfect bloom. There are many zinnia varieties, each with its own unique charm. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide if Zinnia Angustifolia is the right fit for your garden. Zinnia elegans. Common zinnia. These classic zinnias boast large, showy flowers in a wider range of colors compared to Zinnia Angustifolia. However, they tend to be taller and require more staking. Zinnia Profusion Series. This compact series offers a burst of color and is known for its exceptional heat and drought tolerance, similar to Zinnia Angustifolia. However, profusion zinnias come in a double flower form, unlike the single blooms of Zinnia Angustifolia. Ultimately, the best zinnia for you depends on your preferences. Zinnia Angustifolia offers a charming, low-maintenance option perfect for borders, containers, or pollinator gardens. How to care for Zinnia Angustifolia. With a little TLC, your Zinnia Angustifolia will thrive. Here are some additional tips. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming. Pinching. Pinch back the stems occasionally to promote bushier growth. Pests and diseases. Zinnia Angustifolia is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, watch out for powdery mildew, which can be controlled with fungicide if necessary. Enjoying the beauty of Zinnia Angustifolia. Zinnia Angustifolia adds a touch of sunshine to any garden. Its vibrant blooms attract pollinators, creating a thriving ecosystem. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for smaller gardens or container plantings. So, why not give Zinnia Angustifolia a try? With its easygoing nature and cheerful charm, it's sure to become a favorite in your garden.